This chili sauce will blow your mind. Coming up! What's up, guys? Good to see you here in the Papa's Corner channel. If you didn't met yet, I'm Manny Silva, and in this channel I share with you my passion of cooking tasty recipes and handcraft through crochet. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell's notification button. Today we'll make a mango chili sauce. It's beautiful, it's wonderful. You won't believe how this tastes. This sauce you can use with your food as a dip for your fried chicken. Even you can use with your French fries. It's delicious. Everything that you need to do this recipe you find on the video description, and you can find as well a link where to buy in the UK. For this recipe we're gonna use half of onion, a medium one, chop it, bring in a pan, 2 garlic cloves, chop it as well, a tablespoon of olive oil, and bring the fire, heat, and 50 grams of butter. I use here ghee butter, but you can use any kind of butter you like. I use here 8 of bird's eye chili. Don't worry about the seeds, just take off the tail. 2 Spanish red chili, sweet pepper. This one is a mini sweet pepper like this, you don't need to chop too much. Use a medium heat and cook it, the onion, till it gets the golden color. Our onion is ready to go. Now we add the chilies, the mango. Now we use a low heat and leave it to cook. 2 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, and this is optional if you like, a mixed Italian herbs, a pinch of mixed Italian herbs. This is entire up to you. One cup of white vinegar, in medium heat, and half cup of water. We need to cook this in a medium heat till this looks like a jam. See, looks like a jam, and now we can turn off our hob and finish our mango chili sauce. We have our sauce cooked. Now we need to blend it. This smells so nice. My mouth is watering. Let's try it. Very good. You can try with different chili. Don't be attached with that chili that I put on the recipe. You have to do this. It's so nice. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy it and give us a like, and remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification. Leave your comments and suggestions below. Actually, the best tips came from you, the Papa's Corner community. So definitely connect with everybody in the comment section. Thank you everybody for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.